Hello everyone, friends, here we are together again. Today I want to make Georgian national dishes, Khinkali. Now I'll show you how to prepare them.
Hello everyone, friends, good people.
Goodbye.
To make khinkali, we will need, here I have ground beef, ready meat, lamb, 2 onions and 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. I couldn't find cilantro, so here is parsley, flour, make sure it's top grade flour. Let's start making the dough. Let's sift 1 kilogram of flour. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt per kilogram of flour. We'll make the dough with cold water. I keep my water in the fridge. The water must be cold. Now we'll add 500 milliliters of water. Our dough should be very stiff, so we need to knead it for a long, long time. You need to knead it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. It's okay, it'll be a good workout for your hands. The dough is ready. Let it rest in the fridge for half an hour and we'll work on the filling. The longer the dough rests, the denser it will become. If you have time, you can even leave it for the whole day.
I had a preparation like this. I had a mallet lying around. I make the Russian one, somehow adjust it to the mallet.
Ooh.
He has his own rules. So I have the knife, so I just need to cut off a piece and I need to fasten it with some kind of metal piece. To be continued. Well, I need to cool it down. It's like I don't even have a glove. I didn't submit it to the Genesis threads. It's ready, just a little sanding left and the hammer will be ready for action. Yesterday I made it smooth. These corners too, it will be just like this. I burned it a little to give it some color, but it didn't turn out very well. Still I tried it too. Now I'll smooth it out evenly.
I had ground beef ready, and here is lamb, fatty meat. And from the lamb, we'll make chopped ground meat. For a kilogram of ground beef, we'll add 400 to 500 grams of lamb. You can put it through a meat grinder, but I wanted to make chopped ground meat like this. The weather is nice today, so we'll cook kazan outside. It'll taste better that way. I just finished making a new stove. Today is just the right day for a good arm workout for me. Now this is a reason for ground meat. We mix it with beef. We'll chop the greens with a knife and finely chop the onion in a blender.
Hey, what are you cooking there, huh?
You light up your new stove first, then...
You'll find out. You're probably cooking something there, I say.
Let's chop the garlic too. We won't chop the greens, otherwise they'll release their juice. We'll only chop the onion. When you're making the ground meat, you can run it through a meat grinder. Now we chop the greens. Now we add a little paprika, and we won't add too much salt because our broth will be salty. Again, we add water. This is the most important thing. In my opinion, the water in our ground meat should be cold, ice cold, so that the meat mixture turns out juicy. We add more water to make the mixture liquid. Our ground meat is ready.
Kanta Tashim.
Hashim.
He ate meat. He doesn't want bread with milk from me. In our comments, it's about this truck. Everyone was asking, this car, 137, we call it Zakar. It's in working condition. About 8 years ago, they brought it here. They installed gas for us. Back then, there was no gas yet. We used it to go get firewood, hay, and more firewood whenever we need to go somewhere at any time. Actually, I don't have a standard battery for it. I just have this handle. And sometimes, at any moment, it could stop working, even right now. So, I pump the gas with the handle. It takes half a turn, and everything starts up perfectly for me. As for the handbrake, honestly, it's a bit neglected. Someday we'll take it out for a drive too. We'll see how you handle it.
Let's start rolling it out. Let's make a little sausage like this. The dough turned out really well for us. We'll make bowls about this size. The grandchildren came for the holidays, so it's noisy here today. Should
Continuation follows.
The girls are relaxing.
The girls are relaxing further.
Further, 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 further.
Further, further, further.
Further, further.
Further?
Further, 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 further.
Further.
Further, further.
Further.
She said she would cook on the campfire. Now we need to chop some wood and start the fire. Like this. I saw someone make a miniature stove like this on YouTube, so I tried it myself, and this is how it turned out for me. I made the firewood myself too. You don't need much, it's very warm, it gives off this heat even though it might seem like it's just a little stove, let's say. It actually cooks exceptionally well. Look, in the next episode.
Our pot is boiling. We drop them in tail down so they don't stick and gently stir. It will be ready in 10 minutes. Look at them.
Thanks to the stove, they boiled quickly. I've actually never tried Khinkali before. You haven't tried it? Yeah, no, I haven't tried it. We're about to try it now. Later.
We just have to proofread the final font. We specifically didn't add pepper to the ground meat. That's why.
It turned out really tasty. Next time, we'll make Georgian dishes again. Something else too.
Yes, you tried it.
These? I haven't tried them, but they're very tasty.
Then next time too, like Doku said, I'll make a Georgian dish. Friends, if you liked it, give it a like. In the comments you can write what else new you want me to cook. Goodbye everyone, see you.